Hi, in this video we will learn how to fix the issue destination folder already exists. So I will show you how that looks. If I try to install this plugin, Akismat plugin, which comes by default, it is showing me error destination folder already exists. So there are few reasons for this issue. First, if you tried to install this plugin earlier and because of some reason like internet connectivity or something else, plugin installation failed. But if it makes the folder in plugin directory with name Akismat, then this issue will occur. Or if you tried to delete plugin and because of some issue, if it creates an empty folder or it left an empty folder with name Akismat in plugins directory in server, then you will get this issue. So how to install this plugin? So just you need to log in your server, that is your cPanel of your website. Go to file manager. Here you have to go to public_html to the root directory. Select WP content directory. Here it will show all the folders of your plugins themes. So this is the plugins folder. In plugins folder, as you can see here, there is a folder with name Akismat. If I open this, it has only one file. So because of some reasons, this folder is not deleted or not installed correctly. So what we have to do is just to delete this folder. So I deleted this. Now if I reload my page, refresh my page and try to install it one more time, then it will be installed and activated. So now it is successfully activated. If I go to my server one more time and open public HTML directory, WP content, plugins. Now if I open Akismat folder, now it has all the files. So this issue will occur if there is already a folder with same plugin name, then this issue will occur. So in this way you can replicate and fix the issue. Thanks for watching this video.